Hi friends, welcome on Yourpedia, and many of you have got calls for interview in NPCIL. फ्रेंड्स NPCIL में बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, स्पेशली जिनका गेट स्कोर कम है एंड दोज हु हैव गॉट द कॉल्स. यू पीपल नो दैट NPCIL में एक बार कॉल आ गया तो 100% सिलेक्शन इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द इंटरव्यू. देर इज नो वेटेज गिवन टू गेट स्कोर. अब वो वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी है उन सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो बॉर्डर के ऊपर जिनको कॉल आया है. जैसे सपोज मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी जिसका भी 620 गेट स्कोर है उसके प्लस स्टूडेंट्स को कॉल है. अब सोचो आपका 625 गेट स्कोर है या योर गेट स्कोर इज 630. वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू टू ज्वाइन न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट. यू नो इट्स अ वंडरफुल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नाउ you have sufficient time also, like you have 20 days for your interview. So in that 20 days how you can prepare very well so that you can convert this call into selection. उसके लिए एक session we are going to have. So mentors of Yourpedia will be joining you on Zoom and you can ask as many questions as possible and other students will also be asking question and that session can be done. Now you people are to fill the Google form which is attached with this video, and then the executive of Yourpedia will provide you the link of Zoom and you can join the session and you can ask your question. Because many students are not even aware about the pattern of NPCIL interview, and such kind of sessions like on Zoom which are conducted, these sessions are really very helpful for you to make a strategy of preparation, how to go forward, and you can ask many questions to the mentors. So friends, if you have got a call from NPCIL and if you want to know the detail strategies and process of preparation of NPCIL, you can join the session with us. Fill the form, executive will call you and they will provide you the link, and the session is at 8 o'clock tomorrow, that is Monday 8 p.m. we can have a session, and in that we can discuss detail about this strategy for cracking this particular interview. Any branch, any field you are from, you can join if you have got the call from NPCIL. So see you tomorrow with entire my team and we will discuss in detail about NPCIL interview. Thank you. See you tomorrow.